Your mind is the sharpest tool you have. It even controls the rest of your organs and body. So Noon suggests some amazing foods to keep your mind and body healthy and fresh. Apple or save helps your body regenerate and is full of vitamins and antioxidants. Turmeric or haldi is antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, protects your brain against aging. Pulses and dals, rich in iron, fiber and protein. Spinach or palak is an antioxidant and is great for your eyes. Peanuts or mungfali, rich in vitamin E which helps your brain function well. Egg or anda contains all 9 amino acids, boosts memory, muscle growth and helps vision. Dairy or doodh, paneer and dahi contain protein and vitamin B for energy metabolism. Dahi is also great for your gut health. Dry fruits or sukhe meve are rich in iron, calcium, magnesium and potassium. They also boost your immune system. Adding these nutritious foods to your daily diet is the easiest and best way to boost your brain and body health. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and share it with your friends. Join our 100% free learning community on the Noon app. Download now.